I'm Carol, and welcome to another episode of I finally got my Facebook account back. But let me show you some surprises how I can see the hackers. Okay, I am able to see who hacked into my account and how did Facebook help me. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. So I lost my account back on the 29th of March, and end of March I suddenly saw that my account was missing. I couldn't go to my Facebook business page. My friends couldn't find me anymore, and on last week on the 15th of April, after 2 weeks of writing into Facebook made an investigation and wrote to me and said that, hey, we can retrieve your Facebook account back, and we would like to get a new email from me. So I passed them the email, and this is my account. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So this is my original account is with this cartoon face. My other account from Facebook is this one. If I were to change, if I switch, so after 29 of March, I had to switch to an account. I can't put smiley face anymore because the cartoon face, because people will get confused which one is real. So I have to put my own original profile face. So let me switch back to my original one, and let me show you who is this hacker. Okay, so this is my normal, my original Facebook page, and look at on the bottom left hand side. Okay, and these are all my shortcuts to the Facebook group. And take a look at this part of the page was supposed to be my FB business page, my Carol Fung e-commerce. But when I logged into my account after Facebook gave me an opportunity to change my password, I was shocked to see who is this? Why is this Facebook page become Carol with a double L, Fung? Okay, I click on it, and I saw this lady who post this. Let me translate to you. You say that this page is limited for lives challenges. Please fire. So she uses my Facebook business page for her own life. She's selling fashion. It's based in Vietnam account. I used to have 3,000 plus people liking my page, but only 3,000 plus following my page. But for this page, business page, 1,100 people are liking it, but with 6,000 people following it. So she has been posting a lot of things here, photos, and you can see that if I scroll down, I have all my e-commerce Losang photos here. And after that, suddenly this image came out, that image come out. So I was like, oh, okay. So I'm seeing my hackers FB page that uses mine, because my FB page is a verified FB page, and I could not access to this page because um, it is still locked to her. I don't know how. I've told Facebook already, let them make the investigation and allow me to have access. This Facebook page, the geolocation is set to look into only Vietnamese IP address can view this page. Amazing, huh? For them to do that. So they got a lot of live. Okay, if I go to videos, so she got a lot of live. So can you tell whether he's a he, she, or she, he? Okay, she's done a lot of live. So her last live was 5 days ago, and she probably can't do any more live because I've changed the password and all. So I hope that Facebook will come back and give me access to this account because I can't add anything. Okay, so every day and every day she has a lot of live. Okay, so a lot of people looking at it, more 20K and all. Yeah, it's fine. She's not doing any porn or what. It's just her trying to make a living out of it. So that's how my Facebook, I got it back. So I am clearing out my friends list right now to people who are actually supporting my FB page. So that's it for this episode. So amazing that I got my account back and I can see who my hackers. But of course, I can communicate with them, and I'm hopeful that Facebook will come back with their investigation with their team, and how can I access back the Facebook account. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for reaching out to me again, to ask for Facebook friends, for you all to come back to me and ask for Facebook, to request for Facebook friends. And also stay tuned to the next episode, where I will share what is the outcome of Facebook investigation for my Facebook account. So see you then. Okay, take care. Bye bye.